With Paul Renshaw. Hi, Paul.
Hello, Martin.
We're at the Clearvision booth, which is actually having some Linchpin stuff on. Why is that, Paul?
Because we're collaborative partners together in this new collaborative world.
Which means what?
Which means we're going to work together to offer better solutions for our customers.
We're at the Atlassian Summit in San Jose. So what is it that Clearvision is offering here?
So Clearvision's offering is a very focused offering around the Atlassian stack, particularly around some core messaging like SDLC, collaboration and service desk. And we're here to really show our scalability globally for our large customers.
SLDC, what is that?
SDLC basically means software development.
Okay.
It's a posh way of saying
I've learned something now. Okay.
Software development lifecycle it stands for.
Okay. Awesome.
Teams that make software.
Clearvision is, I don't know how much more, but you're the biggest Atlassian expert in the world.
Yeah.
How come, why is it that so many customers choose Clearvision?
I think it is because there's a number of reasons. We've always prided ourselves on being a company which meets customers face to face. So one of the real gaps in Atlassian's approach to the enterprise is the fact of physical interaction. So we go to customers and understand them. Secondly, because we're a global organisation in the US, UK, Ireland, Eastern Europe and India, the enterprise is spread around the globe, so they need a company which is as flexible and far-reaching as we are. Coupled with that, we've got very good service offerings for each of those key areas I mentioned before, and we offer a very good service.
Okay, what's your favorite Atlassian product?
I'm a sucker.
Only choose one, please.
Okay, I'm a sucker for Jira.
Okay.
Yeah.
So why is that?
I think the great thing about Jira is how many places it can be applied in. You know, you could be a housewife at home who has a shopping list, or you could be the biggest bank in the world trying to make software, and you can actually use the idea of items and tasks in that life. So.
I like the idea with the shopping list. I'm going to pitch that internally in my family. Let me pull that Confluence direction. So let's talk a little bit about Confluence and Internet. What is it that makes Confluence qualify for Internet, in your opinion?
Qualify for what, sorry?
What makes Confluence qualify to be an intranet?
Oh, okay. So Confluence was always a wonderful collaborative platform in a very Web 2.0 manner. For me, when I first discovered Confluence, it was working at Clearvision, so I just used it and it was very intuitive. It was intuitive to me because I used Twitter and Facebook, and the idea of building content was just very simple. Add on to that the idea of, you know, being able to comment on things and like things, it felt very simple. So to begin with, that was really the story of Confluence. What we found now is that those features of Confluence, when we introduce them as an intranet compared to a SharePoint solution, suddenly become very powerful. There was a few blockers though in that story, and it was things like, it didn't look that great. How did we actually identify different teams who they had their own space with its own look and feel? And how did we integrate other types of collaborative solutions like a HipChat? This is one of the reasons for the Linchpin collaboration. What Linchpin have done by pulling together a lot of key features around the ecosystem is delivered a genuine intranet solution that is a Web 2.0 product. When I introduce it to clients who've used SharePoint, it is literally like showing them the future. Everyone I introduce it to, it wows them. So I feel really, I always knew that Confluence was more than just Confluence on its own. So for me, the next step in intranets is a based solution with a Linchpin wrap.
Okay, cool. If I'm using a cowboy technology for videos, so this is going to be online pretty quick. If someone sees that and it's at the Atlassian Summit, why should they come to booth G8 and see Clearvision?
So come to see us at Clearvision. We'll give you a really good assistance and planning around the use of your general Atlassian tools, but very specifically around collaboration. We think we've got the collaborative platform for the future. If you've already got Confluence, we think we can upgrade or bring your Confluence into 2016 at a relatively affordable cost as well. So come and say hello, we'll give you a demo, we'll tell you about why we're so successful.
And if this didn't convince you, they have the best swag ever with these awesome elephants.
Come and say hello!
And that's it.